Hello. Yeah, he's jogging si mama. That's a nice vlog. Hello mga guys, so nanami sa Santo Niño nga plaza sa Bani. Murag ni jogging.
Ano yan naman ka mo makagtawag anaan na siya. Gusto niya. Noon pag-vlog.
Murag ni nag-jogging. We are waiting for Grace. I guess Lanoy po. My mother's jogging. Kapas. It's her birthday.
Well, I'm waiting to.
It's her memory lane.
Be here to make an exercise body. That's why me and my mother
Bye.
recording together.
Pugol. Yeah, paabot me. Yes. Sige pa siya jogging.
Laban. Kaya ko to. God always behind me. I'm done to attend a mass.
Almost there.
Jogging for more. Stop it.
And a
Stop
one.
laughing.
And a two. Vibe. We are here.
Mama makes exercise her body.
Look at her.
Sus. Kabam. Yan, naragan ni skillet. Asa may naong na to, anak?